Hi, grade ones. So today for our writing lesson, we're going to be looking over the piece of writing you created this week. So this week you practiced working through the writing process using our writing map. You thought of an idea, you planned and rehearsed that idea, you sketched that idea across pages with a beginning, middle, and end. You added labels, and you added more to your pictures, and finally, words on the page, sentences, or a sentence on each page. So today, I want to show you what you do when you think you're done. You're going to use something called a writing checklist. So, I want to show you the writing checklist. So when you think you're done a story and you're ready to hand it in to me, you want to make sure that this story is your best effort. So you want to use a checklist to review what you wrote to make sure it's your best effort. So the first thing on our checklist says, I plan and rehearsed my story. So that's this part of the writing process. So if you told your story across your fingers, if you touch and told it across the pages, you would just go ahead and give yourself a check mark. Next, I sketched my story across the pages. Double check. Do you have a sketch on each and every page? A sketch for the beginning, the middle, and the end. If you do, check. If you don't, maybe you only sketched page 1 and forgot to sketch page 2 and 3. You could give yourself an X, but then go back and add a sketch on page 2 and a sketch on page 3, and then change that X into a check mark. Next, check your work. Did you add labels to your sketches? Well, let's look. Balcony, pigeons, railing, barbecue nest. Me thinking barbecue nest, eggs. Friend, mess, pigeon poop. Noisy, pigeons, peep peep. Well, I definitely have labels. Check. And last, did you add more to your pictures? And did you write a sentence on each page? Let's see. One day, I saw pigeons on my balcony railing. That page has a sentence. I saw the nest with 2 eggs under my barbecue. That page has a sentence. My friend helped me clean up the mess. And that page has a sentence. So I'd give myself a check mark. If again, for any reason, you had an X, go back and fix your writing before you hand it in to me. The final thing to do before handing in your writing is, if you'd like, now is the time that you can color, using crayon or pencil crayon, all of your sketches. Add color to them to make them pop and stand out a bit. Once you're all done, you're going to submit and hand in that story to me. There'll be instructions on how to hand in your story on the next slide after this video lesson. All right, I can't wait to read what you wrote. Good luck.